Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on exercise equipment with Dick's Sporting Goods. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Dick's Sporting Goods website or your local store. Start by checking for current sales and promotions on exercise equipment. Look for discounts on popular items like weights, cardio machines, and fitness. Sign up for Dick's Sporting Goods email newsletters to receive exclusive offers. Consider using the store's rewards program, which can help you earn points on future purchases. Take advantage of seasonal sales events, like end of summer clearance or New Year promotions. Look for clearance sections in-store or online for discounted items. Use price comparison tools or apps to ensure you're getting the best deal. Explore the option of purchasing open box items, which are typically less expensive. Don't hesitate to ask store associates about upcoming sales or promotions. Consider shopping off-season for equipment that may be discounted, like treadmills in the spring. Check social media pages for flash sales or special discounts. Review return policies and warranties to ensure your investment is protected. Be patient and wait for the right time to buy, especially during big sales like Black Friday. Keep track of prices for a couple of weeks to identify trends and the best time to purchase. These steps can help you maximize your savings while equipping your home gym. Enjoy your shopping experience at Dick's Sporting Goods and make the most of your budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.